Being overweight leads to many physical and psychological issues that trouble people. If you are someone who is on a weight loss journey, this Exapur review is going to be helpful for you. The new lifestyle changes have brought about a lot of obesity issues, and people are trying to lose weight in several ways. When you decide to make a change and go out there to reduce weight, you are dumped with so many options that you wouldn't know which to pick. You must have already tried some of those, like some diets or workouts, but they may not have given you the results you sought. This is not your problem. A recent study conducted by Rockefeller University on 52,000 men and women found that every overweight person had low brown adipose tissue, BAT, levels. Exapur is a weight loss supplement made using natural ingredients that are specially designed to target low BAT levels. Since the concentration of BAT levels is directly proportional to weight as the studies show. This Exapur weight loss supplement helps in increasing BAT levels and thereby helps your body in burning more calories even while you sleep. This Exapur results in effective weight loss. There are 8 natural plant-based ingredients that went into the making of this supplement. These clinically tested and proven Exapur ingredients not only help in reducing weight but also provide health benefits like improved immunity, healthy blood sugar levels, healthy blood pressure, and improved digestion. I have listed these Exapur ingredients and related information, and you can find these Exapur ingredients listed on the bottle label for your reference. Perilla, kudzu, holy basil, white Korean ginseng, Amarcog bark, propolis, quercetin, oleuropein. Studies conducted on this compound proved it to have properties that prevent obesity by affecting genes that are related to weight gain. It is also known to improve heart health and helps in lowering blood pressure in type 2 diabetes. How does Exapur weight loss capsules work? Brown adipose tissue is something that constitutes a very small percentage of our body composition, yet it's responsible for burning huge amounts of calories to provide the energy you need. Exapur is a natural weight loss supplement that works by increasing the BAT concentration in the human body. This is a scientifically proven method, and the mitochondrial concentration in the BAT leads to increased calorie burn from the fat stores in your food intake. Exapur formula prevents fat accumulation while these tissues shrink and burn away the existing fat cells. Studies have found obese people to have less BAT levels while skinny people have a higher concentration. These Exapur ingredients used are scientifically proven to improve BAT levels and provide additional health benefits alongside weight loss. How to use Exapur diet pills? Exapur weight loss capsule is made in the form of easy-to-use capsules by blending 8 potential plant-based ingredients. The bottle contains 30 Exapur weight loss capsules and will last you for a month. The recommended Exapur dosage is to take a capsule a day along with a big glass of water. That's all you need to do to help your body start burning those extra pounds naturally. Does Exapur have any side effects? Exapur is made using 100% natural ingredients and it's totally safe for consumption. It doesn't have any known side effects and there have been no reports of the same. Thousands have already used and benefited from this Exapur weight loss supplement. Exapur is manufactured in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility in the US. State-of-the-art, precision-engineered machinery is used under strict and sterile standards. These ingredients are free of soy, dairy, and non-GMO and are also put through additional third-party inspections and quality control to ensure high purity. Still, it's advised to show the bottle to your doctor before you begin, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, allergic, or already following a prescription. Cost of Exapur diet pill. Exapur ingredients like Amarcog bark, which are rare and difficult to obtain. These hand-picked ingredients are clinically proven to be potent in providing health benefits. Compared with the cost of other methods and medicines for weight loss, this supplement is reasonably priced and sold through the website with additional discounts and bonuses when one buys more than a bottle. If you ask me, this deal is such a steal. 1 bottle, $59 per bottle. 3 bottles, $49 per bottle, 2 free bonuses. 6 bottles, $39 per bottle, 2 free bonuses, free shipping. Click here to order Exapur from the official website.